Through the last couple of videos, we looked at how challenging it is to cut straight with a handsaw. Looking at a handsaw, it's easy to mistakenly believe that it's a simple tool to use, because only two actions are involved, pulling and pushing. Sounds a piece of cake, right? Wrong. Even slight errors made with a handsaw really stand out. To be honest, I'm not very good with handsaws. So I tried to figure out what I was doing wrong. And in doing so, came up with some tips for cutting straight. Let's go over them together. Watch the line from directly above. If this is hard for you, try to put your stock on a lower place. Your thumb plays two important roles. It prevents the blade from shaking and derailing, and also it keeps the blade vertical. For the first several strokes, the saw blade will be unstable and can easily deviate from the line. So when you push the blade back, run it directly into the curve which you just made. This will help prevent the blade from derailing. The first several strokes are important because they will determine the angle and the direction. Since it's practically impossible to change the angle and the direction partway through, be sure not to make offline cuts, as they can cause the blade to pinch or bite into the material and jam. And there is no need to apply any extra force. Generally, you cut taking advantage of the weight of the saw, adding only a little force when you pull it. If the blade won't proceed to cut unless you forcefully push it down, the blade has probably lost its sharpness. It might need to be replaced or resharpened.